Good morning students. Welcome to 5th session of first chapter, that is index number. In today's session we will do sums, same type of sum which we did in previous session, that is IL, IP and IF you are supposed to find, but one step ahead, where unit of measurement is given along with price and quantity of base year and current year. Now board point of view, this type of sum very important. Normally they ask in 5 marks. Let us start. Now question, it is given this way, where 4 commodities A, B, C, D. 4 commodities, along with that unit of measurement it is given. Price of base year, that is 2014, and 2015, that is current year. Same way quantity of base year, that is year 2014, and current year, that is 2015, it is given. Now here you can see these price or quantities. Unit of measurements, like here it is 5 kg, 2400 grams, 10 kg, 30 pieces, this way it is given. Now certain rules are there which you should remember, and accordingly we will solve the sums. Now here the first rule, here you can see 20 kg it is mentioned. Remember, this should be always 1 kg. If it is not there, then we will change this. Now see, in this 20 kg, where here quantity it is given 5 kg and 7 kg. This no problem. But which price? 80 rupees of base year, and here it is of 20 kg price it is mentioned. Means this 80 rupees is not the price of 1 kg. So we will change this. This 80, if you divide by 20 kg, so this 4 rupees, it is the price of 1 kg. So first step, now here unit of measurement we always write 1 kg. As I discussed, now this 80 divided by 20, we get 4 rupees. So here price of base year P0, that comes 4. Same way, this is 120. Now this 120, again it is of 20 kg, we want of 1 kg. So this 120, if you divide again by 20, we get 6. So here in this P1 we write 6 rupees. Now quantity, as I said, here it is 5 kg and 7 kg. Now this is also 1 kg. So this 5 and 7 as it is. Next now for B commodity. Now here is kg, that shows it is 1 kg only. So in this we won't change. Now come to the second rule. See, this 20 and 24 price of base year and current year, it's of 1 kg, so no need of changing anything in this. But here which quantity is given, that is 2400 grams, and here is 4000 grams. So this second rule, that is unit of measurement, what here it is given, same unit of measurement should be there in the quantity. If it is not there, then we will change. Now we know very well, in 1 kg, how many grams? 1000 grams are there. So this 2400 grams, if we divide by 1000, we get this value in kilograms. So this comes 2.4. So here we write in the quantity, that is 2.4. Same way for current year's quantity, it is given 4000 grams. When you divide this by 1000, we get 4. So here quantity that comes 4. So second rule, that is what unit of measurement and quantity, these both unit of measurement should be same. If it is not same, then we will change it. Now come to the third commodity, that is C. Now this C, it is given in quintal. Here unit of measurement, which here quintal, and in quantity it is kg, both base year as well as current year. So again this kg, now two options are with us. One, this quintal we convert into kg, or this kg we convert into quintal. Now we will go with the, you can use any of that, but what I will suggest you, in which minimum calculations are there, we should go for that. So in this we will convert this quintal in kg. So here in C we will take it 1 kg only. Now for that, this 2000 rupees, which price of base year is given, that is of 1 quintal, and here we have changed this value in 1 kg. So what we will do, that is we will divide this 2000 with, by converting this quintal into kg. Now first you should know in 1 quintal how many kgs are there. So remember, 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg, while 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. So remember this, that 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. Now this 2000, it is of 1 quintal. As I said, we will find this into kg's price. So 2000 divided by 100, which comes 20. While, so here we will write 20 rupees. Here it is 2800 divided by 100, that comes 28. So price of current year will be 28. Now quantity. Now see, here is also kg, and this quantity also is in kg. So 10 and 15. This is important in this. If it is ton, then this 2000 we divide by what? 1000. Here also 2800 we divide by 1000 if here ton is given, and we are converting into kg in that case, and quintal, then simply we divide by 100. Now come to the last commodity, that is D. Very, very important. Try to understand this carefully. Now we know in dozen how many pieces are there? 12 pieces. Now here you can see this price 48 and 72, it is given of 1 dozen. Here but quantity it is given 30 pieces. Now if you remember the second rule, here what value it is given of unit of measurement, that same in quantity also should be there. Now here it is given in dozen and here it is given in pieces. See, here if it is given dozen and in quantity also dozen, then no change. Here it is in piece and in unit of measurement also piece, then also no change. But when here it is given in dozen and in this quantity it is given pieces, then either again this we convert into dozen or here we convert into piece. Now again where calculations are less, that is we convert this into 1 piece. Now see, here this is 30 pieces, here 35 pieces. No problem, because this 30 and 35, that is what? pieces only, and here also piece. As just now we discussed, rule is there, what unit of measurement, and quantity, that should be same. So here it is same. But this 48 rupees, it is the price of 1 dozen. We want now of 1 piece. So what we will do, this 48 we divide by 12. Why we divide by 12? Because in 1 dozen how many? 12 pieces are there. So this comes rupees 4. So here we write 4. Same way, this 72 we divide by 12, that comes 6. So here price, that comes 6. Now one piece price is rupees 4 of base year, price of current year rupees 6, quantity of base year 30 pieces, quantity of current year 35 pieces. Now multiply these all 4 by these 4 values, that is P1 Q0, P0 Q0, P1 Q1 and P0 Q1. As we discussed in last session, take these all 4 in this sequence order only, so chances of mistake will be 0. Now first, that is P1 Q0. Now this is P1 and Q0. 6 5s are 30. Next 57.6. This is 280 and 180. Total of this comes 547.6. Next is, that is P0 and Q0. This is P0 and Q0. 5 4s are, this is 20, 48, 200, 120, and total of this comes 388. Same way P1 Q1. Now this P1 Q1, P1 and Q1. 6 7s are 42. This is 96, 420, 210, and total of this comes 768. Next and last, that is P0 and Q1. First and last column. 7 4s are 28, then 80, 300, 140. Total comes 548. Now these values we put in the formulas. Now first, that we find IL. Now this will be 547.6 divide by 388, we get 141.13. This is your IL. Next, that is 768 divide by 548 into 100, that comes 140.15. So this is your IP. Now same, we find IF as we already discussed. We will make root of 141.13 into 140.15. No need of multiplying this with 100 because already we have multiplied in this. Sorry, here 100 I have not mentioned. This should be there. So this comes now 140.64. Average of IL and IP, that comes 140.64. Now already we discussed previous session also. Always, whether it is asked in the question or not, always what we will do, this 141.13 we subtract 100 from this. What comes? 41.13%. There is rise in the price of current year as compared to base year. Same way with IP, this comes 40.15%. There is rise in the price of the commodities in comparison to base year. Same way in this, that comes 40.64% rise in the prices of the current year as compared to base year. So this is how we solve. As I said, very important. Some board point of view this is. Now today's homework. 4 questions are there in which you are supposed to find IL, IP and IF. This is your first sum where 4 commodities are given. This is second sum where 5 commodities are, but along with unit of measurement. This is again third question, and of course short sum, only 3 commodities. And finally this is your fourth question, thoda sa bada hai, where 6 commodities are, where along with unit of measurement. So try to solve these all questions, very important. This is an end of this session. See you in next session tomorrow. Thank you.